Are you struggling with a slow metabolism? In this video, I'm going to share with you one simple tip that you can kickstart your metabolism up a notch. Hey, I'm Christina Nguyen, mother of 3 and a fitness fanatic and obsessed with helping women become the boss of their body through fitness and mind empowerment. In this channel, you're going to learn how to lose weight the healthy way and create a new lifestyle with an easy to follow blueprint. Okay, so here's the deal, ladies. As we get older, our metabolism starts to slow down, right? So our metabolism is not like it was when we were 20, because now we're 40 and it totally slows down. I get it. I was there. I was like living life, going on with my bad self, doing my career, having 3 kids, and I was like, oh my God, all of a sudden this weight started to pile on top of each other. The baby weight never went away. Metabolism just started to grow down and go down. So I started to gain all this weight. I was super unhealthy. I was tired all the time. And I couldn't function, brain fog, girl, you name it, I got it. Okay, so I wanted to share with you one really simple tip, one simple thing that I did that helped me kickstart my metabolism. Girl, doing this thing first thing in the morning really kicked it up a notch. So I'm going to share it with you here, but stay with me to the end. I'm going to share with you where to get 9 other simple tips just like this that I figured out on my own journey. All right, okay, you ready, ladies? This is one of the best things because 1, it's free. 2, it is so easy to do. And 3, you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours at the gym. All right, so I'm going to share this one secret, simple tip. I'm going to explain to you. It is doing this right when you get up in the morning. You're going to go to the bathroom. You're going to get up. You're going to go to the bathroom. You're going to go into your kitchen and you're going to boil water. Actually, you're not going to boil water. You're just going to warm it up. And it literally takes 3 to 5 seconds. So put the water on the stove for about 3 to 5 seconds. Pour the water into a 16-ounce glass of water, and here's the secret. You ladies ready for the secret? Yeah, the secret is lemon. Literally simple, on a tree, the yellow lemons, cut it in half. Just squeeze half a lemon into your 16 ounce of warm water that you just poured out of the tea kettle pot, right? So, and then when this is done, you're going to take that glass and you are going to down it. You are going to down it. You are going to take, okay, here's another second tip, really quick tip. Anytime you drink water, pick that cup up and drink and take 10 gulps of whatever you're drinking, which is probably normally just water or the warm lemon water. Put up your mouth, take 10 gulps, and finish that entire 16 ounces of water first thing in the morning. Girl, let me tell you, this has changed the game on this mama's life, okay? Seriously. When I get up, it kickstarts everything. It kickstarts my organs, it kickstarts my metabolism, it kickstarts everything. Everything starts moving, my mojo is going, right? So when you wake up in the morning, you down this 16 ounces of warm lemon water. You let it do its thing through your body. Do not eat, do not drink anything for at least a half an hour to let the warm lemon water do its thing in your body. Okay, so in the beginning of this video, I told you that I was going to share with you the link below where you can get those 9 extra simple tips, right? It's going to be in the description, so go there and take a look at it and go get your 9 simple tips. If you have learned anything and liked what you've heard or seen, please subscribe to my channel over here or over there or over here. I don't know, just subscribe to it and I will see you on the next video.